Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. The crypto market is back in the bull mode. So after a one-day consolidation, bulls seems to be back, and now the market is in green. So also an indicator signaling that huge Bitcoin run-up will come. So I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX, bringing you the most important crypto news every day to keep you educated and professional in this amazing developing technological and financial industry. So let's get into our bubble chart. Let's check what the altcoins and Bitcoin, Ethereum are doing. So, okay, hope screen sharing working well. And as you see, the crypto market is green. Yesterday there was a 5, 10, 15% correction, but now all these coins gained back their momentum, and now they are doing really well. So as you see, VGX, ADA did a 20% up, Digibyte 15%, Qtum 18%, X Sushi 12, XDC 11, Sushi 12, WeChain 7, Synthetics 13, Avalanche 11, GRT 16, Waves 10, and you see Maker, FTT at 10%. So most of the altcoins are pumping well. Solana at 8%, and also Ethereum is up almost 5%, and Bitcoin as well. Let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Yesterday, as you remember, the index was at 70 in the greed territory, and now it seems to be also to be at 70. So today and the past few days, the index was at 70. So we are in greed for now. But as you remember, the last 3 months, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index spent almost in the extreme fear category around 20 and 25, and now just started to rise to neutral zone and up to greed zone, and now just consolidating here. So let's get into our first news. New data proves it's highly possible for Bitcoin to smash 175 US dollar this year. Okay, so now we are below this resistance at 46.47, and Willy Woo cited the significance of Bitcoin smashing 53,000, saying price would need to move to 53,000 US dollar to address the demand-supply imbalance in the market. It now seems that Bitcoin is well on its way to the aforementioned price level. So according to Willy Woo, the price should smash the 53,000 US dollar, then this demand-supply imbalance will occur and a kind of supply shock will come. Also, analyst Williams Clementi, who attributed this observation with a Glassnode chart, insights as a sign that Bitcoin is prepared to topple 57,000 US dollar. And let's check this chart. The black is the Bitcoin price, and the green, this green is the BTC circulating supply. The dark green is the BTC realized price, and also there is this this green zone, the midline, and also the orange is the delta top, and also the BTC delta top, and that indicates that 53,000 at least. And also Clementi proceeds to assert that the next move will see Bitcoin position itself for 92,000, but it gets even better. Okay, Bitcoin looks ready to reclaim the yellow midline for bull run confirmation, which currently sits at 57,000. If confirmed, delta top mean orange would be my next target at 92,000. If that level is then reclaimed, would be targeting top price model, which currently sits at 175 $100,000 US. So first Bitcoin should reach this green line and then the orange, and after that the red one. Bitcoin might still need to prove itself going forward, and Bitcoin inability to uphold 60,000, and that would trigger these new all-time highs. Okay, quote, the little guys have been buying BTC like crazy. Their holdings have increased as a percentage of overall supply, as a percentage of supply held by entities with little spending history. Strong hands. So newbies are buying up Bitcoins, and also the strong hands are holding, and that is why it can lead to a supply shock where more people want to buy Bitcoin than they are ready to sell. So let's go into our next news. This buy indicator shows the Bitcoin price is ready to explode. One of the best buy indicators in Bitcoin flashed this week suggests the price is primed to explode. Okay, so the hash ribbon. So we are talking about the hash ribbons indicator. It was created by Charles Edwards, and hash ribbon of the Bitcoin price, and every time that the hash ribbon indicator has flashed. Okay, so I cannot make it bigger, but as you see, this is the Bitcoin price, and here you see these red zones, and these are triggering hash ribbons that a huge run-up is followed by. And also here is the 60 days and the 30 days ribbons, as you see. Minor capitulation. Okay, however, the cause for the massive decrease in hash rate wasn't entirely caused by increased competitiveness in the mining industry driving profits down, but rather because of political degree in what ended up being the largest nation-state attack on Bitcoin ever from the arms of the Chinese Communist Party. Okay, so let's check this. The Bitcoin hash rate, 7-day moving average. And you see the hash rate just dropped on 14th of May and started to drop and bottomed out at 2nd of July. And now it's increasing back, and also the Bitcoin price is increasing back. Over the course of 6 weeks, the Bitcoin mean hash rate declined 53%, and although the capitulation event was more artificial, the decline in hash rate still had a very meaningful impact on miner revenues for those who still remained plugged in. Okay, this is the daily miner revenue, 7-day moving average. As you see, also the miner revenue started to increase as well the Bitcoin price. So guys, this hash ribbon indicates that a huge Bitcoin rally could come. The next piece of news, Cardano price analyzes ADA USD bulls preparing high gains above $2 in bid to set fresh all-time high. Cardano price analysis suggests a bullish bias in the next 24 hours. Cardano price has finally broken free from the negative effect of last year's high at 1.4. As of writing, Cardano is trading at 1.99. And you know, Cardano mainnet launch will come, hopefully end of this month. And also not just ADA, but all other Cardano ecosystem coins like Charlie Free, Gary Wallet, and Carstat, the Launchpad, and all other, let's say, Sunday Swap. All these Cardano related projects seems to be pumping in the next few weeks and months. Okay. Here we see the technical analysis. So Cardano consolidated in this region very well, about 1.8, and now this 1.8 levels as a kind of lower high, acting as a support. And then momentum after reaching 1.9. The first support level is near, below 1.8 is 1.6. AD investor waited a long time for Cardano to break the chains of its high from 2018. Okay, so that's really bullish, and Cardano went up 20% in the last 24 hours. XRP address activity and network growth could push rally further, sentiment says. The price of XRP has surged past the $1 dollar mark over the 24 hours period after Ripple announced the GME remittance, one of the largest non-bank remittance service providers in South Korea, joined RippleNet. So that was this fundamental news, that the South Korean remittance company joined RippleNet. And also you see here on the sentiment details that XRP is primed for a rally. Okay, so all the major altcoins, not just Bitcoin, but Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP are heating up. And after that, we will see the run up of the mid-cap coins, and at the end of the cycle, the small cap coins. Our next piece of news, Dogecoin to breach the 0.3 US dollar target soon. Doge price to break major resistance levels. Okay, so Doge just dumped really badly in this small bear market, but now it seems to be that coming higher, and then it has a chance to break this 0.3 US dollar resistance. The next piece of news, Switzerland's Leonteq offers crypto assets to investors in Germany and Austria. Swiss fintech firm Leonteq has introduced its digital assets product in two neighboring jurisdictions, Germany and Austria. The company is launching its crypto offering with the help of Frankfurt-based bank and in response to interest from institutional and private investors. So guys, this is important. As you know, Switzerland is really crypto friendly. And this Swiss fintech company, with a collaboration, a bank based in Frankfurt, they are launching services to German and Austrian clients, and they are selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptos. Through this cooperation with Leonteq, we are meeting the interest of both institutional investors as well as private investors in crypto assets. So they are providing services to institutionals, big corporations, and private investors like rich private clients. So this is not for the mainstream retail buyers yet, but we hope that we will see more and more services to retail clients. Breaking news, the next piece of news. Nasdaq listed technology firm announces Bitcoin and Ether mining plans. Okay, so the Nasdaq listed technology firm that offers SaaS solutions, service as a service, announced would invest and engage in Bitcoin and Ether. So PowerBridge Technologies will invest in Bitcoin and Ether. So not just in Bitcoin, but also in Ether. We are optimistic about the positive outlook of the cryptocurrency market. Our initiative to engage in crypto mining is an important part of our overall blockchain strategy. We strive to our continual build clean energy-based BTC and ETH mining networks globally. We believe our crypto mining business will generate valuable digital assets that help accelerate the company's growth. So guys, this is about, that was the news yesterday, that Fidelity is investing in Bitcoin mining. This Nasdaq listing company PowerBridge Technology is investing in Bitcoin mining, and more companies are investing in Bitcoin mining, and we will see the first countries like El Salvador and others investing and providing Bitcoin mining. So that's huge, and also they are highlighting that they are preferring clean energy. So inside Cuba's Bitcoin revolution, as political demonstrations shows the world that Cubans are tired of the dictatorship. Bitcoin is providing an option to peaceful protest and opt out of a broken system. So guys, even if this socialist country like Cuba or maybe North Korea or other countries that there is a dictatorship, Bitcoin is providing and offering a peaceful protest and also opting out from the broken system. I will not go through because a lot of things that it's better if you are interested in this to read through Fidel Castro and all this insanity, but finding freedom through Bitcoin. So that is most important. Okay. This is groundbreaking. A lot of people will deny this reality, but we can no longer buy MSC in dollars. So the main issue is that everything is based on the US dollar, but they don't have access to the US dollar. Bitcoin, she said, helps ease the pain. Lucia looks the Bitcoin as an alternative to the dollar system. If we are free from the dollar, she told me, then we have freedom. So if they can use Bitcoin and they are not forced to use the US dollar, that they have freedom. And I think we will see more and more countries from Latin America and from developing regions that they are suffering from the US dollar hegemony and they are not having their own strong local currency. That we will see that more and more people are using Bitcoin, and also some governments will make Bitcoin a legal tender, as El Salvador did. So guys, if you are interested in Cuba and how Bitcoin revolutionizing and providing freedom to them, just go through this article. The next piece of news: BitPay adds Google Pay for US cardholders to spend cryptocurrencies. Okay. Updated its wallet app to include Google Pay for US cardholders to spend their cryptocurrencies. The company has already added Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay is expected in the near future. So BitPay is a crypto company providing debit cards and allowing spending crypto through these debit cards, and now it's integrated already in Apple Pay, but not in Google Pay, and Samsung Pay will come. So that is why you can use your crypto everywhere just through a single debit card, but with time, I think you will just use through your QR code. The next piece of news: Argentina open to adopting Bitcoin, says President Alberto Fernandez. So he is the president. You know, Argentina is a developing country. Argentina has a high inflation and a weak economy, and then they see some opportunity to adopt Bitcoin. I don't want to go too far out of a limb, but there is no reason to say no, Fernandez said in a local television interview. Okay, the idea of crypto playing a larger role in Argentina's economy despite his own skepticism. So the president is skeptical about crypto, but he sees that it can be helpful to his country, and that is huge. Okay. So guys, that's huge that more and more countries will embrace Bitcoin and making their weak economy better with Bitcoin and Bitcoin related businesses. Okay, the next piece of news: another Ethereum ETF is now before the SEC. So you know guys, more than 15 Bitcoin ETFs have been submitted to the SEC. And also few Ethereum ETFs, but now Cryptoin joins OneEck and WisdomTree in seeking an Ethereum ETF. So also OneEck and WisdomTree submitted their applications already, and all they are just waiting. But they are just waiting. But you know, in Canada, in Brazil, in Argentina, in Australia, in Germany, there are a bunch of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, and that would, if US will just approve ETFs, and then more and more investors would get access to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The next piece of news: Coinbase criticized for USDC unclear dollar backing. The stablecoin actual backing policies are more complex than critics suggest. And also the same news: where is the stablecoin backed by $1 not on Coinbase anymore? Like Tether, USDC is partially backed by commercial paper, a type of debt. So guys, I think as there was no bad news on the market, writers just created a bad news, so they wanted to create some FUD, but you cannot back $1 billion worth of stable coins with the cash sitting on a bank account, because then a cash sitting on a bank account is like a dead cash. So the cash should work somewhere, should be in maybe in some bonds or some commercial papers, or maybe real estate or other, but rather liquid assets. So, but there was this against Coinbase. But I think as USDC is under the US regulations, I think their backing and their reporting is much more clear than the USDTs. But also USDT will make an audit soon. So that is just FUD. Don't take too much attention to this. And Poly Network hacker. So you know that Poly Network was hacked. More than $611 million worth of crypto was stolen. And now Poly Network hacker returns nearly all funds, refuses $300,000 bounty. So they don't want this $500,000 bounty. The Poly did offer the bounty, but I have never responded to them. Instead, I will send all of their money back, said the hacker. Okay, nice. Let's quote: assure that you will not be accountable for these incidents. We hope that you can return all the tokens as soon as possible. We will send you the 300,000 bounty when the remainings are returned. Expect the frozen USDT. Okay. So he will send all the money back, and he don't want to get this bounty. And he already returned it 258,000, and then we'll return the rest. And also, guys, it's really important. So yes, technically, this hacker was able to steal these funds, but he cannot cash out. He cannot put in a DeFi contract, or also he cannot cash out on the centralized exchanges. So yeah, so that's for sure. You should be careful whenever using a DeFi. The next piece of news: Lionel Messi's move to Paris Saint-Germain includes payments in crypto. Lionel Messi's high-profile transfer from FC Barcelona to Paris Saint-Germain has included a payment in cryptocurrency fan tokens. Okay, so I think Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, has his own tokens, or I don't know. Crypto fan tokens are similar to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, although these are typically issued by a sports franchise. PSG fan token, which trades under the ticker symbol PSG, was launched with Socios in January 2020. So Messi will be paid in PSG fan tokens. So that's interesting. And I think in the next 5 years, all of these athletes and celebrities will be paid somehow in crypto or even in fan tokens. Okay, so let's check our favorite charts for today. See what's happening with the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. Hope the sound is working well. Just double check it. Okay. So opening up the Bitcoin chart. It takes some time because here in Croatia the internet is really weak, and then yeah, it's always takes some time. And also I have a lot of windows open here. Yeah, but until it joins, just please be aware to join our Telegram chat. You find the link in the description, and about different crypto related news, crypto adoption, and also there was more analysis about CorionX price, that how CorionX bottomed out and how can push break up from this falling wedge. And we have this coming from community members. So also one of our ambassadors, Jeff, doing really great job. Just check this video about the CorionX Binance Smart Chain bridge and how can you bridge your tokens from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. So let's check first Bitcoin. As you see, or what's this? Yeah, Bitcoin. No, this is BNB. Yeah, as we are at BNB, so BNB just refused this for 400 US dollar, but now it's trying to break up again. But let's check Bitcoin. As you see, there was a market structure change in the Bitcoin chart, on the Bitcoin chart, and now the chart seems to be bullish and doing this formation that going up and just a falling wedge going up and now consolidating. So also we have seen a low, higher low here, and also we have the next higher low here. So this is a good sign. As Bitcoin will break this 47,000 US dollar, then the next target should be at 53,000 US dollar here, and then we can go higher. But if it will be rejected, then Bitcoin can retest the 40,000 and 41,000, and that would be a healthy retest of this trend until Bitcoin doesn't go below this 38,000 US dollar previous higher low. That it's a healthy market structure and preparing for go higher here. So what about Bitcoin dominance? As we see, the Bitcoin dominance is just declining and also dropping. And as we see Bitcoin dominance decreasing, then it's good for altcoins. So we see more and more altcoins pumping as Bitcoin is just increasing and also consolidating. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is also changed its market structure. You see this W with double bottom and also broke this neckline at 2,400, and now it's preparing to break this 3,250 resistance. This resistance turned back the Ethereum price, but now as you see it's really trying to move up here. So as we will see a nice breakout, that putting a long position on Ethereum, that would make sense for me. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed. Please smash the like, smash the bell and the notification, subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.